Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you are about to see a roller coaster of a video, but
roller coaster video?
yeah.
Whoa,
So
that is so cool.
over the next few days I'm going to be uploading a few different kind of DIY beauty videos for everyone, you know, just to comb and whatever, you know, bring some positivity and fun to the social atmosphere right now. So anyways, so today I am doing DIY lash extensions. These are permanent. Well, they're supposed to last 2 to 4 weeks, but they are glue-on individual lashes from Salon Professionals, which I'm gonna show you guys in a moment. So yeah, a few years ago I tried out the Ardell DIY lash extension kit. It's only about $10 at Ulta and Sally's, pretty much everywhere. And I had a pretty hard time applying the lashes, but they did look kind of cute at the end, and they did not last long at all. That video got deleted because I used to delete videos, whatever. So here we are a few years later. Literally, that was 2017, it's 2020 now. And I'm trying, guys, quiet for a minute. And I'm trying out the Salon Professionals one. So this, I believe this was $9.97 about at Walmart. So it retails for around the same price, and it honestly looks just like the Ardell one. So I'm going to show you guys how I did these lash extensions at home today, and I'm curious to see like how long they last and stuff. I'm going to give you kind of a first impression review. So one thing you guys should know is that I opened up the kit and I literally, because I have this bad habit where I do not read things, I mistaked the lash remover serum for the lash glue, so I thought I was gluing lashes on, but I was using the removing serum, and I literally could not get the lashes to stay on. I was having a very hard time. I struggled with this for at least a half hour before realizing my mistake, and I will show you that footage now.
Alright guys, so here I am showing you the packaging. So you have all the little individual lashes, a nice pair of tweezers. Oh yeah, the lashes come in 3 different lengths: long, medium, and short. 2 rows of medium and then a long and a short. Those are the tweezers. They're very pointed at the end. So, and then 2 different serums. One is glue and one is for taking the lashes off. Unfortunately, I didn't even really read. I just assumed that the green one was the glue. And I started attempting the lash application using the Lash Off serum. So this is pretty embarrassing, but I'm just gonna let you guys see this. So pretty much the lashes kept falling off.
So that's super embarrassing, and yeah, so then once I realized that I was using the wrong thing and I switched to using the actual glue, this was my experience putting on the lash extensions.
Okay, so now I have the right glue and we can actually make some magic happen. Okay, so how I decided to go about this was I started with the shortest lashes first, and I tried to put one in the middle of my lid, outer corner, and then the inner corner on each eye. And then I kind of went back in after that and filled in the gaps. So you can see they're actually kind of sticky now, and it is hard to get them on at first, but once you have a couple on and those ones are established, it's easier to build on top of them with the other lashes. So bear with me here. So I would say altogether the application process would probably be like 20 minutes per eye if you're, just really taking your time. And so I used all the short lashes, and then I went in with the medium, and I saved the longest ones for last, and So how my kind of way of doing it worked out pretty good. Well, you'll see. And by the way, how I was getting the glue on them was just picking up the lashes with the tweezers, which was easy to do because the tweezers were very sharp.
So there you have it. That is how I achieved this. And this is the final outcome. I don't think it's terrible. It's definitely a little sloppy, a little messy. It's not too noticeable, but yeah. So I guess the last step is to just see how long they last. Once I started using the actual glue, the application process was a lot easier, but it is still tricky. It's hard, it's tedious work. Whereas if you're going to do this, make sure you have a nice big time slot to take your time with this, because this is something you definitely need to take your time with. Being that most salons are closed right now and we're stuck in the house, I think this is actually a pretty decent route to take, because it's only $10 and you can give yourself some pretty decent looking lashes. And they're supposed to last a couple weeks. We'll see if that holds to be true. Usually it doesn't with this type of product. Usually within a few days they're almost all off. But let me know if you guys want an update on that. And yeah, this is the final outcome.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah.